Hey guys, we're going to take you through the unboxing video for the Ring indoor cam. Let's get straight into it because I'm very excited. You'll find that there's 2 boxes in there, but the piece there as a start is this little indoor cam. Nice and small, nice and compact, really cool. We've got your screws to mount it up, and obviously very importantly your power supply. So into the setup of the indoor cam, and it really is really simple. Have your phone and your indoor cam ready, and you open up the Ring app and click on the top menu, and it's going to prompt you with set up a device. So you click on that, and this is obviously a security cam. So I'm going to go on security cam, and it's going to ask you to scan the QR code. I'll turn my camera around, scan the QR code, and then it's asking me to name this indoor cam. I'm going to put it right here, which is our lounge. So I'm going to custom name it lounge. So just type lounge in there. The next step is just plugging it in. So now that we've plugged it in at the mains, we're going to plug it in at the back of the camera, just like that. So now that it's plugged in, we just hit continue on your smartphone. It's just prompting me to follow the instructions on my phone.
The Ring app is now connected to your Ring device.
So we start the tutorial, and it tells you whether you want to mount it on a wall or mount it on a ceiling or put it on a table or a shelf. I'm just going to put it on my mantelpiece, so I'll click on a table or shelf. So we click continue, and that's it. We're ready to place it wherever we want to start monitoring our home.
Hey guys, coming in a minute.